Okay, we got this all going. Alright, moment of truth. Hey Google, call 1-800-255-3700.
Calling 1-800-255-3700.
Hi, thank you for calling Nintendo. Let's connect you to a specialist quickly. Let's get started.
Para asistencia en español, oprima el número 9.
For Nintendo Switch, press 1. For parental controls, or to check the status of an order or repair, press 2. For problems connecting to the internet or Netflix, or help with system updates, press 3. For help with accounts, transferring games and content between systems, or billing and prepaid card issues, press 4. For troubleshooting, setting up a repair, or for questions about features and compatibility, press 5. For questions about My Nintendo,
Hey Google,
Nintendo eShop,
press 5.
press 6. For Nintendo Switch, press 1. For any Nintendo 3DS, 3DS XL, or 2DS, press 2. For any Classic Edition series, press 3. For Wii U, Wii, or any other system, press 4.
Hey
To
Google,
repeat this menu,
press 4.
press star. If you are calling about the Super Smash Bros. Ultimate Piranha Plant offer, please note that the promotional period to register your game is now over. If you registered the physical game on My Nintendo or purchased the digital game by January 31st, 2019, the download code will be sent to your Nintendo account email address within 10 days. You have until June 30th, 2019 to redeem your Piranha Plant DLC code.
I got it.
Find out more on our website, support.nintendo.com. Factory repairs for the Wii are no longer offered. The Wii Mini is still being repaired. Check your serial number on the back of your system if you aren't sure which you have. If the serial number begins with LU or KU, you have a Wii, and the support specialist can advise you on replacement options. If the system isn't working as expected, press 1. For questions about features, games, and availability, press 2. To repeat this menu,
Hey Alexa,
press 8.
hey
To return
Google,
to the previous menu,
press 1.
you will now be placed in line to speak to one of our specialists. Your call may be monitored and/or recorded for quality assurance.
Hi, thank you for calling Nintendo. My name is Sam. I'd like to get started with your name and email address, please.
Hi, my name is David, David Johnson, Johnson.
Okay, and can I get your email address, please?
Yes, LOSERWINSNOTHING at gmail.com.
Okay, I got LOSERWIN. What was the middle part there? At gmail.com? What was the part?
It was an S.
Gmail.com, or was there something else that I'm missing?
Yeah, that sounds pretty good. Yeah, it's a bit of a weird email. I made it, I don't know why I made it.
Okay, I just want to make sure that's actually what you said.
Yep.
So was it, it's loserwins at gmail.com?
Yeah.
Alright, how can I help you today?
Hi, so I have a Gameboy Camera, and it's not working.
Alright. And which Game Boy system was that designed for? You'll have to refresh my memory since there was kind of a handful there.
I think it's made for the original.
Okay. Yeah, give me just a moment here. I apologize. My computer's being a little bit slow right now.
Alright.
Okay. Do you see a? Trying to see if I can find a model number. It's for. I just want to make sure I'm looking up the right system here. So, is that the one that comes with? See if I can find any other information here. If it's the original one, it was released in '98. So, in what way is that Game Boy Camera not working?
It doesn't boot up.
Okay. Is this a new purchase for you? Have you always had it and it was fine, and just recently you're not able to use
I've had this for quite a while.
it? Okay. Okay. And so when you turn on the Game Boy system and the Game Boy Camera, you can't get it to like turn on and take a picture, or when you look at pictures, like the image is all scrambled, or it won't save them, or can I get a little bit more information?
Give me a second. Just put it in. Well, when I turn it on, it just shows a black screen.
Okay. Are you getting any sort of like error message or anything like that?
No, just a black screen.
No. Okay. All right. Yeah. Give me a few moments here. I want to see if I can look up any other information on the Game Boy Camera. Yeah, I apologize, David. It doesn't look like I have any information on that. It is, it is a legacy system, so
Yeah.
it's not something that we're able to like work on anymore at this point.
Yeah, well, the sound
If you're
works,
having
though.
issues with the camera,
Like, I can turn it up and the sound works.
okay, but
But
there's
just
just no
show.
image. Have you tried using that with like a different Game Boy?
Yeah, I have a Game Boy Advance right here.
And it's not working with either one of the Game Boys.
Well, it works on the Game Boy Advance. It just doesn't work on the original.
Ah, okay. So I mean, are you having any other issues with the original Game Boy?
No, I can play Pokemon here and it just works fine.
Okay, so I mean, in this case, there could be a little bit of a. I mean, it would be hard for us to separate whether the issue is with the Game Boy versus the camera. If the camera is working on the other system, then I would think that there's actually a problem with the Game Boy, the original Game Boy, or maybe Game Boy Color if you're using one of those.
I'm using OG one.
But if that Game Boy is functioning fine otherwise, I would just say since you have more than one, since you have the ability to use more than one system, um, just use it on the system that works.
Alright, fair enough.
The best course of action at that point would be to either, possibly look for a local electronics store or something like that that may be able to do a repair, or maybe that sells refurbished products or something like that, or maybe look at some retailers in your area or online that carry some of those products. And then, of course, things like eBay, things like that, like online auction services that you may be able to find. Either parts, if you're someone who's really into it, and I know there's some tutorials out there, that wants to swap some things out, or maybe just get a new Game Boy or get a new Gameboy Camera or something like that.
Alright, I'll look into that.
Okay. Anything else I can help you with?
Nope, that should be good. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, you're welcome. You have a good day. Thanks for
Alright,
calling.
bye.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Okay, that went better than expected. Okay, Nintendo tech support people are very good. They will help. They're not like Apple. Okay. Goodbye. Leave a like or something, I don't really know.